Here's the perfect solution if you want to get even lines of caulk around the bathtub. In the previous video, I showed how to use pre-caulking filler rope. If you didn't watch it, check it out. The link is right below. Today, I'll cover two themes: how to put the caulk in corners and around the bathtub. First, make sure to use the rope. This is where the caulk is firmly attached to the tiles. And in this plane, it will stretch well, providing maximum strength and reliability, even if there is a little flex of the surfaces. Move on to the next topic, how to caulk around the bathtub. Take a look at the picture. The difference with the previous example is that the rope protrudes slightly. But here, you can use a larger radius of smoother, so the small protrusion of the rope will not be noticeable. To sum up, using pre-caulking filler rope is a great way to make the caulk last much longer. There are other advantages of this method. First, it would be very easy to change caulk in the future. It is not in the seam. You would just need to remove the caulk from the surface and change the rope. There won't be any moldy caulk left in the gap, so no risk of ruining the new caulk. Second advantage is that you save caulk because it doesn't go deep into the seam. If you don't use the rope, you will spend 2 to 3 times more caulk. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching.